Alright guys, today we've got our lamb chops. We're going to take these, we're going to wash them really, really well, okay? Now that we have our pieces of lamb, we just want to go ahead and actually pat these dry. Oh, here we go, here we go. So now we've got our lamb here. Okay, so now we want to go ahead and want to take the fat, cut the fat off of the lamb. Take the fat. Try to cut as much off as you like. Some people like fat on meat. I personally do not. So I take everything and cut it off to make for nice pieces. So now the lambs are cut. I'm going to go ahead and take our olive oil. Alright, these and transfer them to our pan. Fresh garlic. Oops. Nope, we did not want that to happen. So as you can tell, that was fresh garlic in there. We don't want to use these all for one side because we're going to save some for the other side too. We don't need too much. We don't need to overpower it. And then we want to take our rosemary right here. Just take a little bit, put it in there. Normally I would take fresh rosemary, guys, but if you don't have fresh, you could always use dried, or you could use fresh. Doesn't matter. Okay. Oh, and then also some salt. Maybe some pepper. Go ahead, do that up. Okay, pat it in there. Just make sure everything's in there nicely. And there you have it. Voila, your plates of lamb. Here we go, and transfer to the oven. Go ahead and pop these in the oven. Place them on 350, and then we're gonna set the timer. 15 minutes.